This conference will now be recorded.
First, we have to give the purchase order. So before purchasing the product, we are going to give the purchase order. How to give the purchase order? What is the shortcut key? Where we have to go to open the purchase order voucher? Same options. Go to voucher or voucher. In that, press F10. That is a shortcut key for us. In that F10, shortcut key other vouchers, or else in the keyboard F10. Click on that other vouchers. Show inactive. If I see here, it's not going to display purchase order details. Click on that show inactive option. If I click on that show inactive, more options it's going to display. Then select the purchase order. Purchase order shortcut is Control F9. That is a shortcut key. See, now we got the purchase order. Example here, October 1st, it's going to display for us. But now, in the April 1st, I am going to giving the purchase order to my supplier. That's what we have to do. Click on that. So then F2, that is a shortcut key. F2 in the keyboard and F2, or else here also we can click on that F2 option. Click on that F2. Now press space key for delete the voucher date. So 1/4, I am going to give April 1st. See now, date has changed. If I want to change the voucher date, shortcut key is F2 is the shortcut key to change the voucher date. Okay. So April 1st, I am going to give the order to my suppliers. See now, party name it's going to ask. We are giving the order now to purchase. That supplier's name we have to mention. From this particular suppliers, we are going to purchasing the goods. Now we are going to purchase the goods. We are giving the order. If I want to create, press space key. List of ledgers is going to display. See, only one supplier's name is there, KL Traders. Now I want to create one more supplier's name. If you want to create the one more supplier's name, so directly we can click on that create option, or else Alt C is the shortcut key, or else Alt C is the shortcut key to create the ledger. Press Alt C. So now ledger creation. It's going to display ledger creation option is going to display. Now here I want to create the ledgers. That means a supplier's name I am going to create. Example, ads of this my company name. Company name means my supplier's name. Enter. Always all suppliers comes under Sendry Creditors only. Sendry Creditors. Then enter. Now state Karnataka only. So then here PAN card number. If you have any PAN card number about the suppliers, the details if you have, we can give that. GST number. If you have GST number, we have to give the GST number. Enter. Enter. Accept this one. Later I will show you how to give the GST number from next class. In that, order details more terms of payment, how they are going to give the payment through offline or online payment, we have to give, or else other reference means other reference number, any person name or contact number we have to give. Terms of delivery, how they are going to sending the product means as a or road wise or truck wise, or else in the ship wise, how they are going to sending the product. Dispatch through, how they are going to dispatch. Destination, where they are going to, what is the means place of supply. The destination name we have to mention. That vehicle driver name, all these things we have to give. Carriage name or driver name we have to mention. Bill of landing, so where, so that goods is going to land, which date it's going to land. And vehicle number, what is the vehicle number, entire data we have to mention in that. Okay. So here, uh, Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see motor vehicle number, how they for that example they are sending the product through truck. That vehicle number we have to mention. All these are the order details we have to mention. Okay, enter. This is the supplier's details. Adsoft is my supplier. Oh, that A soft. It's okay. Then state Karnataka. So regular dealer. So what is the regular dealer? What is the composition dealer? What are the unregistered dealer? I will tell when I am going to give the GST introduction. That time I will give. Now simply I am going to select regular options only. Place of supply in the Karnataka. I am going to supply. Example: I am sending the product Bangalore to Mysore or Mysore to Bangalore to Shimoga, like this. Inside of interest state only we are going to sending the product, that is we call as a place of supply. Then order number, this is very very important. Order number /01, this is my order number 1. Enter. Purchase ledger means now we are going to purchase the product. No, that's why we have to select the purchase ledger. In that we have to create one more ledger, we have to create that ledger purchase only. We can select here also. If I want to create new ledger, one more ledger, if you want to create here, so select or else in the keyboard alt C also we can select. So now purchase under group always comes under purchase account only. Whenever we are going to create sales, comes under group sales account. Purchase comes under purchase account only. Select the purchase account. It's enough. After that, press enter or else shortcut key for quick accept. Instead of pressing enter, quickly we can accept that screen. Control A is the shortcut key for that. See now, quickly it's going to accept. I given the order in the April 1st to Adsoft to purchase the product. Here they are going to ask name of item, which product you want to uh, purchase. So for which product we are going to the order. Here name of item. Already inventory details already we created. What is the inventory masters? How to create the stock group, stock category? What is the stock category? What are the units of stock items? Everything we created, no? Correct? Huh? Okay. Here I am going to give the purchase order. For example, I want to give the HP Pavilion. I am going to give the order. When we are going to give the order to purchase HP Pavilion, mention the name of item. In that, see location, for which godown we are going to purchasing. Example, select any one of the location means godown name. Quantity, how many quantity you are going to purchase, you are giving the order. Product we can select. See now Sony series, this product I am going to giving the order. Location, for which location you need Jayanagar. Two product I am going to purchasing. I want to purchase, so that's why I am going to give the order. Same amount I am going to give 10,000 rupees only. Total 20,000. See, multiple product we can give. I given the order to purchase the product on the April 1st to add soft supply. Total amount is 5,20,000 rupees is the total amount we got in that. This is we called as a item invoice mode. This is we called as a item invoice mode. Okay, press enter. Whenever we are going to do the enter, it's enough only to product. Accept this one. So this is simply I am showing without GST. Okay, wow. Enter this one. Enter. Again enter. 5,20,000 worth rupees goods be given the order. Accept. Accepted. Hello. Sparsha, am I audible, ma? Smriti, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See now I given the order, no? If I want to see that how many product we given the order, which date I given the order, if I want to check the details, all these things, go to here Alt G. In the keyboard shortcut keys Alt G, or else click on the balance quantity also same, because just we given the orders, that's it, still we didn't purchase anything. So that's why the purchase order due only, purchase order outstanding display. That means 52 product we have to be given, for 52 product we given the order, still we didn't purchase anything. So after give the order, if I want to check where we have to go and see that how many product we given the order. So how many product outstanding is there, pending is there. If you want to see that, go to Alt G options, click on that Alt G, purchase order outs or purchase order due. Click on that purchase order due only. If I select, then press enter. So this the details it will come. Balance quantity 22 product balance is there. Total amount of 5,22,20,000 worth of is goods we given the order to add a soft company. Okay, like this we can check. So how many products are we given? If I want to see that purchase order book, where we have to go, here also we can see display more reports, accounts book, sorry, inventory book. So here purchase order book option also is there. Select the purchase order book. In that, see April 1st we given the order. Enter. So the details is going to display purchase order. Again enter. The details is going to display for us. Okay. After that, I given the order. Now, if I want to purchase the product, so I given order. For example, 2 days before I given the order. Today I am going to purchasing the product. That's why for that, go to voucher option. Click on that voucher. So select the purchase voucher. For purchase voucher, shortcut key is F9. Click on that purchase. F9 is the shortcut key. So April 1st I given the order, no? April 2nd I am going to purchase in the product. Example. Because we are going to use the education mode, or else I have first second date only we have to use, or else in the next month date only we have to. So that's why next day I am going to purchase in the product. If I want to change the voucher date, F2 is the shortcut key. So I change the date. Now see, May 2nd I am going to purchase it. What is your invoice number? That means click on that. So okay, before that direct now, after give the purchase order, purchase order, control plus F9, that is a shortcut key for purchase order. Once if we give the purchase order, we have to receive the product. Means, for example, Airsoft company is my supplier. I given the order in the April 1st. I given the order. April 2nd, they are sending the product to us. When we are going to receive the product, after purchase order, when we are going to receive the product from the suppliers, we have to enter in the receipt note voucher. Receipt note voucher. Receipt voucher is different. Receipt note voucher is different. Receipt means when we are receiving any amount, anything from the customer, we have to enter the receipt voucher. Receipt note voucher means using the purchase order reference number, we are going to purchasing the product. Means we are receiving the product from our suppliers. Once if you give the purchase order, after give the purchase order, we are receiving the product from the suppliers. For that we call as a receipt note voucher. Okay, so in that I will show you. See now, about that purchase order processing, it is an order placed by the business entity to supplier for the delivery of specified goods to given price at the predetermined time. These details are recorded in purchase order voucher only. So that is we call as a purchase order. One, the goods are received from the suppliers against the purchase order Airsoft company is my suppliers. Select the. If I select the Airsoft company, automatically that order number it will come. This is important. So using this order number only, so we are purchasing means we are receiving the product means against the number. This is my reference number. Select this one, order number, enter. That's it. Press enter, enter. Automatically entire data, whatever we given, all the details it will come to. It's going to display in our system. See, we are going to receive the product. So then HP Pavilion and Sony series, we are going to receiving the product. Okay, 5,20,000 worth rupees goods we received. All these transactions without purchase invoice, without generating the invoice, we are going to purchasing the product. All these details it's happening. See now, I purchased sum of goods means not purchased, just I received the sum of goods to my company. Means Satya Dealers companies received the product. Now I want to know that how many products we have in our godown. I received the product now. If I want to see that product details, go to stock summary. Click on that stock summary. See here it's going to display. Stock summary is nothing but at present. At present, how many product we have, how many goods is there in our godown. We can see that. For that, how many product is there. So that means what are the product we have in our godown. If you want to see that at present. If I want to see that, go to stock summary details. In that, see laptop 50 and mobile also 20. Okay, so this much product is there. Now we receive using the receipt note voucher, we receive the product now. If I want to see that still how many any order pending order is there or not. If you want to see that, go to option purchase order due only. Select purchase order due, enter. See now it's not there because we receive the using this purchase order means using the reference number purchase order number we receive the product. Okay, so next purchase order of that receipt note. After receive the product only we are going to generate the purchase invoice. Okay, so first we are going to give the purchase order. After that, suppliers is going to receive the order. They are sending the product. When we are going to receive the product, So in the receipt note voucher, we have to enter. After receive the product only, we are going to generating the purchase invoice voucher. Okay. So then go to voucher. In that, click on that F9. That is a shortcut key. Click on that F9. So that is the shortcut key. It's going to display purchase voucher open April 2nd. If I want to change the date, if I want to change the date, F2 is the shortcut key to change the voucher date. The same date I am going to give invoice number, suppliers invoice number. So whatever you want, we can do. Purchase slash 1001, like this also we can give, or 01, like this also. Whatever you want, we can give the purchase invoice. April 1st, 2nd, I am going to generate in the purchase invoice. Means A soft company, from A soft company, I purchase the goods. Okay, click on that. Say, this is very, very important. This is the receipt note number. What is the receipt note number? Example, if I want to see the transaction, so whatever we did, list of transactions, if you want to see, go to day book option. Click on the day book. See now, receipt note option. This is the receipt note number, means reference number is going to display. Using this reference number, we are going to generating the purchase invoice, because so whenever we receive the product, that reference number is 1. Okay, this number is going to ask in the purchase invoice when we are going to generate the purchase invoice. Escape, escape. Now see, in that vouchers, purchase, F9 is the shortcut key. Supplier's invoice number, I am going to give 01. Purchase 01. Party as soft company. See, automatically that receipt note number is going to display. Select the receipt note number. So if I press enter, enter, automatically entire data using the automatically will come. If I select the receipt note number, so again that is the reference number for us. Using this reference number, we are going to purchase the, means receive the goods. That's why I am going to generating the purchase invoice. Enter. See now automatically all the details we got. We purchase the product 5,20,000 worth rupees goods. We purchase. We means Satya dealers purchase the product. So enter, enter, enter. So then what is the bill wise entry? Means if it is a new bill, that is a new bill, we have to select the new reference. When we are clearing the bill, or when we are tracking the bill, when we are clearing the bill, when we are paying the payment, making the payment, we have to select the against reference only. Suppose when I am receiving the or paying, even if it is a whether I am paying the advance or receiving the advance, we have to select the advance options. Before purchasing the product, if I receive any advance or anything, if I pay the advance, we have to select the advance option. On account is nothing but, see one more time I will tell, new reference means if it is a new bill. First time we are going to purchasing, that time we have to select the new bill. Advance is nothing but when we paid the advance or received the advance, so we have to select the reference number. That advance reference number we have to select. Against reference means nothing but, so in that when we are clearing the bill, when we are tracking the bill, when we are making the payment, that time we have to select the against reference only, because here this is the new bill. So then what is the on account of? So when we are receiving or paying the bulk amount from the, where, whether if it is a suppliers also okay, customer also okay, when we are receiving or paying the bulk amount, we don't know for which date, which voucher means which amount we have to clear. That time we are going to select the on account only. So this is the new reference because this is a new bill. That's why I'm going to select a new reference. Due date, how many days they are going to give the due time to pay the amount. For example, 10 days I'm going to give. See, April 12th, I have to pay the amount. M. Satya Dealers Company is purchasing the product from A Soft Company. They given 10 days due time to pay the amount. April 2nd, we are purchasing. So 12th April, I have to pay the amount. Accept this one. Accepted. Now go and check in the balance sheet. Go to balance sheet. We purchase product now. Alt F5 for detailed options. Now see current liability from central creditors. Enter. So ads of the company 5,20,000 rupees worth rupees goods we purchase and KL traders also 6,000. Totally, so current liability means 5,14,000. This is the report voucher. If I press enter, again enter. So now April 1st we purchased 5,20,000 worth rupees goods we purchased. Again press enter, purchase of again enter. So the transactions level it's going to display. So reports level to transaction level, if I press enter, we can get the reports level to transactions level we can get. So this is the purchased product. Okay, that's the current liability. Now I want to see that how many product we have in our godown. For example, I got some order from my customer. I want to know that how many product we have in our godown. So at present, if I want to see that, suppose if not, that much sufficient balance if we have in that product or stock items, we are going to purchasing from my suppliers. After that, I am selling to my customer. So here, go to stock summary. Now see, totally 22 product. 22 stock items is balance is there. That is the details going to display. Okay, escape. So we done purchase voucher. No, if I want to see that here also, okay, purchase register, how many purchase registers we done. Go to display more reports. In that statement of accounts, if I select the outstanding, how much outstanding, pending amount, how much is that, because we purchased only product, still I didn't pay that amount. No, go to outstandings. In the payable, select the payable. Say adds of 5,20,000, 20,20,000 is pending amount. Pending bills is going to display. Suppose I don't want to go here like this option, directly shortcut key. If you want to use the shortcut key, here go to option or else in the keyboard Alt G, click on that go to. In the search button, bills payable. Select the bills payable. Enter. See, bills payable. Pending amount is going to display 5,20,000 rupees is that. So next class we have to do the payment option. So tomorrow we have class now. Okay. Next session will be tomorrow.